sent a picture of a bird back here strutting with a hen. So, grabbed the call in my vest and got the gun, and we're gonna try to sneak up here and see if we can't get one. We have no idea where this bird's at right now. Probably kneel down. Nope, he's still right there, dude. Wait till he gets to the field edge. That's within range for sure. Hold on, wait till he puts his head up. Kinda had a half pop there. I mean, like I said, we're gonna lose him in the rye here shortly. So we got this bird that we got on camera. We got over here. He has 2 hens. He's kind of making his way towards us, but we're going to end up running out of time here shortly, probably. We're going to try to make something happen here. Let's see what goes on. There's a hen coming back towards us now. We might come back here and go back into that woods. Just don't move much with her. Don't work, but right when I was coming around that corner, I seen how close he was getting. I was like, oh, I'm waiting for a bang in any second. I don't think we're gonna pull him. Yeah. He does, but how turkeys do, the gobbler usually sits out there and gobbles, the hen goes to him. Since he has 2 hens, he's like, I ain't gonna go over there, and if that hen wants me, come get me. I'm just sit here and show her I'm here. If we could get him to that fucking gate. Hens? Oh yeah, I think they caught me. I didn't realize they were back out in the field, and I was trying to pull them so he would come this way. Stuck between a rock and a hard place on these birds. We really can't get closer. He won't come closer. He has 2 hens. He actually might roost off kind of off by himself, who knows. He's kind of boogieing it now. One last little strut. Up there he just jumped the ditch. Well, good little evening. For what it was going to be. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I mean, how far? Because I mean, he was right at them trees, pretty much where that trail camera was. But he was just strutting.
Yeah, he had his head all tucked back in. You shot him in the breast.
Yeah, usually not supposed to shoot them while they're strutting. But
when he pops his head up, if he would have popped his head up.
Yeah, he never did. He never would.
Took that shot.
Oh yeah. All day long.
I'd have felt comfortable with taking that shot.
Even some of that stuff that when he was out in that shit, I almost was just like, but he never would pop his head up.
Right. He kept it tucked back in right up against his breast.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? By this time, you've already seen our 2023 turkey tour. We're getting ramped up for the 2024 turkey tour right now. This video that you just watched, Mother's Day 2023, me and the old man almost got it done there, and I was super excited to be able to go back out with him and try to harvest a bird. But wouldn't you know it, 2 mornings later, he went out by himself and he got this nice bird here. This is the aftermath. He got the fan and the beard here. Pretty decent beard. He had a pretty good morning, he said. So unfortunately, I was at work. I wasn't able to go out with him. But yeah, congratulations, Dad. And we're excited for the 2024 turkey season right now.